1. The term history is derived from which language? Answer. Greek. 2. Events before the invention of writing belong to? Answer. Prehistory. 3. Which of the following civilizations is considered part of proto-history? Answer. Harappan. 4. The period 1500 to 600 BCE, related to Vedic civilization, is considered as? Answer. Proto-history. 5. The study of coins is known as? Answer. Numismatics. 6. The study of inscriptions is known as? Answer. Epigraphy. 7. Who wrote Indica? Answer. Megasthenes. 8. The periplus of the Erythraean Sea is related to? Answer. Trade. 9. The oldest of the 4 Vedas is? Answer. Rigveda. 10. The Upanishads mainly deal with? Answer. Philosophy. 11. The Buddhist texts are called? Answer. Tripitakas. 12. The language of early Jain literature was? Answer. Prakrit. 13. Rajatarangini was written by? Answer. Kalhana. 14. Harshacharita was written by? Answer. Banabhatta. 15. The term Paleolithic means? Answer. Old Stone Age. 16. Who discovered the first Paleolithic tool in India? Answer. Robert Bruce Foote. 17. Bhimbetka is famous for? Answer. Rock shelters and cave paintings. 18. In India, Paleolithic people are also called? Answer. Quartzite men. 19. The main tools of the Mesolithic age were? Answer. Microliths. 20. The first domesticated animal was? Answer. Dog. 21. Bagor, an important Mesolithic site, is located in? Answer. Rajasthan. 22. The Mesolithic site known for the domestication of animals is? Answer. Adamgarh. 23. Neolithic age marks the beginning of? Answer. Agriculture. 24. What type of pottery was common in the Neolithic age? Answer. Greyware. 25. Which Neolithic site has the earliest evidence of rice cultivation? Answer. Koldehwa. 26. People at Burzahom lived in? Answer. Pit dwellings. 27. The Chalcolithic period marked the use of? Answer. Copper and stone. 28. Daimabad is famous for? Answer. Bronze figures. 29. Which pottery type is characteristic of the Chalcolithic period? Answer. Black and red ware. 30. Which site has evidence of social inequality in house structures? Answer. Inamgaon. 31. The infant mortality rate was high during which period? Answer. Chalcolithic. 32. The richest Chalcolithic ceramics have been found at? Answer. Malwa. 33. Mehergarh is situated in? Answer. Balochistan. 34. Which of the following sites shows pre-Harappan elements? Answer. Kayata. 35. Navdatoli is situated on which river? Answer. Narmada. 36. The term microlith refers to? Answer. Small stone tools. 37. A major transition in the Mesolithic period was? Answer. Domestication of animals. 38. Which Mesolithic site provides evidence of early burials? Answer. Langnaj. 39. Microlithic tools were often made using? Answer. Quartz. 40. The Neolithic age began around? Answer. 6000 BCE. 41. Which of the following is a Neolithic site in South India? Answer. Brahmagiri. 42. The domestication of plants and animals began during. Answer. Neolithic age. 43. Which Neolithic site shows evidence of pit dwellings? Answer. Burzahom. 44. In which state is the Neolithic site Koldihwa located? Answer. Uttar Pradesh. 45. Which animal was not domesticated during the Neolithic period? Answer. Horse. 46. Which is considered the earliest known Neolithic site in the Indian subcontinent? Answer. Mehergarh. 47. Which Neolithic site in Kashmir shows evidence of both Neolithic and megalithic cultures? Answer. Burzahom. 48. Which crop is associated with early cultivation at Mehergarh? Answer. Barley. 49. Tools in the Neolithic period were mostly. Answer. Polished and ground. 50. The term Neolithic Revolution refers to. Answer. Beginning of agriculture. 51. The transition from stone to metal tools marks the beginning of the. Answer. Chalcolithic age. 52. The Chalcolithic culture in India is associated with the use of. Answer. Copper and stone. 53. Which Chalcolithic site is located in Madhya Pradesh? Answer. Navdatoli. 54. Which metal was first used by humans? Answer. Copper. 55. Which of the following is a prominent Chalcolithic site in Maharashtra? Answer. Inamgaon. 56. Megaliths are associated with which kind of structures? Answer. Burial sites. 57. The Iron Age in India began around. Answer. 1000 BCE. 58. Which metal came last in use during human prehistory? Answer. Iron. 59. The term megalith literally means. Answer. Big stone. 60. The ash mounds in South India are associated with which prehistoric culture? Answer. Neolithic. 61. Which site provides evidence of both agriculture and animal domestication in the Neolithic period? Answer. Mehergarh. 62. Which human ancestor species is believed to have lived in India during the Paleolithic period? Answer. Homo erectus. 63. The first Paleolithic tools in India were identified at which site? Answer. Pallavaram. 64. In which Indian city is the Pallavaram site located? Answer. Chennai. 65. When was the Geological Survey of India formed? Answer. 1851. 66. Robert Bruce Foote was associated with which organization? Answer. Geological Survey of India. 67. What title is Robert Bruce Foote known by in the context of Indian history? Answer. Father of Indian prehistory. 68. Which of the following is a major Paleolithic site located in Madhya Pradesh? Answer. Bhimbetka. 69. In which states did Mesolithic culture continue up to around 1000 BCE? Answer. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. 70. What cultural practice was followed by Mesolithic people regarding the dead? Answer. Burial. 71. Human skeletons from the Mesolithic period were found at which of the following sites in Uttar Pradesh? Answer. Mahadaha and Damdama. 72. At which Mesolithic site was a man and a woman found buried together? Answer. Mahadaha. 73. In which region are Mesolithic rock paintings prominently found? Answer. Madhya Pradesh and Central India. 74. Which activities are commonly depicted in Mesolithic rock paintings? Answer. Hunting, fishing, dancing. 75. The famous Mesolithic cave paintings at Bhimbetka are located in which state? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. 76. From which period did people begin to eat ground grain and cooked food? Answer. Neolithic period. 77. What important dietary development occurred during the Neolithic period? Answer. Eating ground grain and cooked food. 78. The earliest evidence of drilling a human tooth while the person was still alive has been found at which site? Answer. Mehergarh, Pakistan. 79. Pit dwellings found at Burzahum were used for? Answer. Living. 80. The main material used for tool making in the Chalcolithic period was? Answer. Copper. How many did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quizzes from Focus to Finish.